And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you 2 shortkeys that help you to edit faster. So just a quick tip today, but I think it's a good one. I've got these 2 simple clips. Let's just say you want to edit a vlog, and normally you would press C for the cut tool, delete one part, press V, select it, and then delete it with the delete key on your keyboard. But there's a faster way to do it. You can just position this marker where you want the cut to be, and if you want to delete everything before it, just press Q and it will be automatically repositioned. So it saves you all of these middle steps that you have to do. Let's just say you want to keep something in the beginning. Just use the cut tool as usual, create your cut, reposition the marker, then use Q, and you've deleted this middle part. And there's another shortkey that helps you to delete everything that comes after the marker, which is W. And then it repositions the second clip right to the position where it needs to be. So if you want to get rid of the last part here, you can use it again. So keep these 2 shortkeys in mind. They should help you to edit way faster. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.